Hi, can I help you?
Hello. Yes, I'm looking for a new shirt.
What size do you wear?
What size do you usually take?
Medium, I think.
I usually wear a medium, but I'm open to trying other sizes.
What color do you like?
Which color would you recommend for me?
We have blue, black, and white.
We currently have it in blue, black, and white options.
I like the blue one.
The blue one looks really nice. I'll try that.
Would you like to try it on?
Would you like to check the fitting in the changing room?
Yes. Where's the fitting room?
Yes, could you please tell me where the fitting room is?
It's on your left.
It's just on the left-hand side near the mirror.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. I'll try it now.
You're welcome.
No problem at all.
How does it fit?
How does it feel on you?
It fits well.
It fits perfectly. Very comfortable.
It looks good on you.
That color really suits you.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, that's so kind of you to say.
Do you want to buy it?
Would you like to go ahead and get it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Yes, I'll take this one, please.
Great choice.
That's a great pick. It really looks stylish.
Thanks. I'm happy with it.
Thanks, I'm really happy with this purchase.
Do you have jackets?
Could you please tell me if you have any jackets available?
Yes, over there.
Yes, they're displayed over on that rack.
Are they on sale?
Are these jackets part of your sale collection?
Yes, 20% off.
Yes, they're currently 20% off the regular price.
That's a good deal.
That's a great discount. I might try one on.
What size do you need?
What size are you looking for?
Large, please.
I think a large would be best for me. Thanks.
Here you go.
Here's one in your size. Please have a look.
Thanks. I'll try it.
Thank you. I'll try it on right away.
How does it feel?
How does it fit?
It's a bit tight.
It feels slightly tight around the shoulders.
Would you like a bigger size?
Would you like to try the next size up?
Yes, please.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
Here's an extra large.
Here's an XL. It might be more comfortable.
Oh, this one fits better.
Perfect. This one feels much better on me.
It really suits you.
That looks fantastic. Good choice.
Thanks. I'll take this too.
Thanks. I'll buy this one as well.
You have great taste.
You really know how to choose nice clothes.
Thank you.
That's sweet of you. Thanks.
Do you have this shirt in another color?
Could you please check if this shirt comes in a different color?
Yes, we also have it in red and green.
Yes, we also have red and green versions available.
I think red looks nice.
I think the red one would suit me better.
That's a popular choice.
That's actually one of our best sellers.
Can I see how it looks?
Could I take a look at it before trying it on?
Of course. Here it is.
Of course, here you go. This is the red one.
Oh, it's brighter than I thought.
Oh, it's more vibrant than I expected.
I like bright colors.
I actually prefer bright colors. They make me feel confident.
Would you like to try it?
Would you like to check how it looks on you?
Sure, I'll go try it now.
Sure, I'll head to the fitting room and see.
How is it?
How does it look on you?
It looks great.
It actually looks really good. The color pops.
That color really suits your skin tone.
That shade really complements your skin tone.
Thanks. I'll take it.
Thanks. I think I'll go with this one.
Do you want to see matching pants?
Would you like me to show you some matching trousers?
Yes, please.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
These might go well with the shirt.
These could pair nicely with the shirt's color.
Oh, nice match.
Wow, that combination looks really stylish.
Perfect. I'll take both.
Perfect. I'll get both pieces then.
This dress feels a bit small.
This dress seems a little too tight for me.
Maybe you need a bigger size.
Maybe you should try one size up. It might fit better.
Do you have a large?
Do you happen to have this in a large size?
Yes, one moment, please.
Yes, just a second. I'll bring it for you.
Here you go.
Here's the large. Let's see how it feels.
Thanks. I'll try it.
Thank you. I'll try this size now.
How's this one?
How does this size feel on you?
Much better.
This one fits much more comfortably.
Great. You found your size.
Perfect. You've got your right fit now.
Do you want to check another color in this size?
Would you like to see other colors available in this size?
That's a good idea.
That sounds like a great idea.
We also have black and navy.
We also carry this in black and navy blue.
I'll try the black one too.
I think I'll try the black version as well.
Sure. Here you go.
Of course, here's the black one. Take your time.
Oh, it looks elegant.
Oh, that looks really elegant and classy.
I love it.
I absolutely love how this looks.
Then it's yours.
Then that's the one for you.
Great. Let's pay for it.
Perfect. Let's head to the counter.
Follow me, please.
Right this way to the cashier, please.
How much is this shirt?
Could you please tell me the price of this shirt?
It's $25.
It costs $25.
Is it on sale?
Is this item currently discounted?
Yes, 10% off today.
Yes, it's 10% off today as part of our weekend sale.
That's nice.
That's a great deal.
How much are these jeans?
Could you tell me the price for these jeans, please?
They're $40.
They're $40 at the moment.
A bit expensive.
They're a little pricey, but they look good quality.
True, they feel strong.
That's true. The fabric feels really durable.
Do you have cheaper ones?
Do you have any more affordable options?
Yes, over here.
Yes, we've got some lower priced ones right here.
These are nice too.
These look really nice as well.
I'll take these instead.
I think I'll go with these instead.
Great choice.
Excellent choice. Very stylish and comfortable.
Do you take cards?
Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we take both card and cash payments.
Perfect.
That's perfect. I'll pay by card then.
No problem.
Sure, whenever you're ready.
What's this made of?
Could you tell me what material this is made from?
It's 100% cotton.
It's made from pure cotton, very soft and breathable.
That's good.
That's great. I prefer natural fabrics.
Do you have something lighter?
Do you have anything a bit lighter for summer?
Yes, this one's thinner.
Yes, this one's a lighter fabric, perfect for warm weather.
Oh, it feels soft.
Wow, it feels really soft to the touch.
Yes, it's good quality.
Yes, the quality is excellent. It lasts a long time.
That's nice to hear.
I'm glad to know it's good quality.
Do these shrink after washing?
Do these usually shrink after you wash them?
No, they don't.
No, they keep their size and shape after washing.
That's perfect.
Great! That's just what I wanted to hear.
Would you like to buy it?
Would you like to go ahead and get this one?
Yes, I'll take it.
Yes, I'll take this one, please.
Great choice.
Excellent pick. You've got a good eye for quality.
Thanks.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Would you like a bag?
Would you like me to pack that in a bag for you?
Yes, please.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
Here you go.
Here's your bag. Have a wonderful day.
Do these shoes look good on me?
Do these shoes suit me?
Yes, they look great.
Absolutely. They look amazing on you.
Are they too shiny?
Do you think they're a bit too shiny?
No, they're perfect for parties.
No, they're perfect if you want a fun party look.
Maybe.
I'm still deciding.
Try the black ones too.
You should try the black pair too, just to compare.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, that's a smart idea.
How do they feel?
How do they fit your feet?
Very comfortable.
They're super comfortable. I love them.
You should buy them.
You definitely should get those. They look perfect.
You think so?
Really? You think they're worth it?
Totally.
Absolutely. They complete your outfit.
Okay, I'll get them.
All right, I've made up my mind. I'll buy them.
Nice choice.
Great decision. They look so classy.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for your opinion. It really helped me decide.
Anytime.
Always happy to help.
Let's go get a coffee now.
Let's grab a coffee to celebrate our shopping.
Yes, good idea.
Perfect. Let's go.
I'm ready to pay.
I'd like to pay for my things now, please.
Sure, cash or card?
Of course. Will that be cash or card today?
Card, please.
I'll pay by card, please.
You can tap here.
You can simply tap your card right here.
Done.
All set. That went through.
Would you like a receipt?
Would you like me to print a receipt for you?
Yes, please.
Yes, I'd like to keep a copy, please.
Here you go.
Here's your receipt. All done.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot for your help.
My pleasure.
You're very welcome. Happy to help.
Can I get a bag too?
Could you please give me a shopping bag too?
Of course. Here's a reusable one.
Sure. Here's a reusable eco-friendly bag.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Hope you enjoy your new clothes. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Thank you. You too. Take care.
See you again soon.
Hope to shop here again next time.
You're always welcome.
We'll be happy to see you again.
Bye.
Goodbye, and have a lovely day.
Hi, I bought this shirt yesterday.
Hello, I purchased this shirt yesterday.
It's too big for me.
It turned out to be a bit too large for me.
Do you have a smaller size?
Could I exchange it for a smaller size, please?
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Of course. Could I please see your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, I have it right here.
Perfect. Let's find your size.
Great. Let's find the right size for you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
Here's the smaller one.
Here's the smaller size. Please try it on.
It fits perfectly now.
This one fits just right. Much better.
Glad to hear that.
I'm so glad it worked out.
Can I return it if needed?
If there's an issue, can I return it later?
Yes, within 7 days.
Yes, you can return or exchange within 7 days.
Great. Thanks for your help.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help today.
You're welcome anytime.
You're always welcome here.
I'll remember that.
I'll definitely come back.
Take care.
Take care and have a nice day.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thanks again.
Do you shop online often?
Do you usually buy your clothes online?
Sometimes, yes.
Yes, sometimes when I can't find things in stores.
Is it cheaper online?
Do you find prices lower when you shop online?
Often, yes.
Usually, yes. Online stores have better discounts.
But it's hard to know the size.
The only problem is you can't always tell how it will fit.
True, I returned some items before.
That's true. I've had to return a few items myself.
Do you use this shop's website?
Have you tried ordering from this store's online site?
Not yet.
Not yet, but I plan to soon.
It's easy. Free delivery, too.
It's super easy to use and they offer free delivery.
That sounds great.
Wow, that sounds really convenient.
You can also collect in store.
You can even order online and pick up in store.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect. Best of both worlds.
I'll try it tonight.
I'll check it out when I get home tonight.
Let me know what you buy.
Tell me what you end up ordering.
Sure, I will.
Definitely, I'll send you a picture.
Can't wait.
Can't wait to see what you pick.
Shopping is always fun.
Online or in-store, shopping is always exciting.
Totally agree.
100% agree. Best therapy ever.
See you next time.
Haha, see you soon. Happy shopping.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.